Two of fiction's darkest, most powerful villains, one from wizarding magic, the other from Middle-earth, Voldemort and Sauron. Who would win in a fight? Well, today we're going to be going over which of these Dark Lords is the true Dark Lord. Starting off, Voldemort is a human wizard with mastery over dark magic. However, Sauron, on the other hand, is a divine spirit on the level of an angel. While this may seem like Sauron has an easy win, it really doesn't, because Voldemort has the Horcruxes. These are 7 items that basically mean if they're not destroyed, he is essentially immortal. However, Sauron has the One Ring, which also grants him immortality, so it's actually going to just come down basically to who can destroy each other's immortal items first. Voldemort and Sauron, however, do not have the same level of immortality. Voldemort's immortality is not on the level of a divine spirit or an angel or anything like that. If all of his Horcruxes are destroyed, he can become mortal and he will end up probably dying. Sauron, on the other hand, cannot die. Even if you destroy the One Ring, he still exists, he's just unable to do literally anything. So while Sauron definitely has a stronger immortality, at the end of the fight, it won't really matter, because if the One Ring is destroyed, Sauron is basically destroyed and can't do anything. So, now what would a fight look like between these two? I think it would likely start off with Voldemort immediately just trying to use the killing curse on Sauron, and I'm not 100% sure how this would work, because Sauron obviously can't be killed, so it might end up just destroying his physical form, and if that happens, the ring will probably drop, and Voldemort will 100% pick it up and wear it, and then he will end up slowly being corrupted by Sauron, and then many years later, Sauron will reform, and he will now have Voldemort as an immortal servant like the Nazgul. Also, one more thing, once Sauron's form is destroyed, this is what happens, so even if Voldemort destroys his physical form, he might just straight up die from the force of this shockwave. So in a fight, it is likely that Sauron would win.